This video was sponsored by Enhance, Elbilmek, ABRP Planner, Kempower and Bilkomponenter. Yo, what's up? We're now in Bangkok. I just picked up this Tesla Model 3 Highland from EVme. It's the rental company. And today I'm gonna show you how you can install this sexy button and the adapter in the Highland. This is right-hand drive, so it's done still on the right hand over there, but that's where the driver is. So it should be the same as before, but yeah, let's get cracking. So when you purchase the sexy button bundle, you get this nice box, and in here you have the buttons and then the commander, and we want to install the commander. But you also need this set of cables. So this is for Highland. It was say Model 3Y Gen 2. So it comes with cable and also a tool for opening up this. So the first thing you have to do is to take off this rubber gasket. And then we want to open this side panel here. And then here is a plastic fastener. You take this side and then you pop it open. And then here comes the tricky part. This part here, this plastic piece here is bendable, but in the previous episode I showed you that you just pull it out and you bend it here, but then you create a dent here. So what I do is I take this plastic bag that came with it, I fold it several times, and then I use it as absorption here once I move it over. And then you take this cable and you locate, this is the 12 volt, and here is the OBD. So you locate the cables, and then you just, okay, first you disconnect the power and then connect the OBD. Almost done. The last thing you need to do is connect the commander to this cable, and that's it. And then just verify that it lights up here. And then you can just tuck it in here somewhere, and it will just stay connected. And it will communicate with any future enhanced products like stalks, knob, and also the buttons. And then carefully put this back. And then this fastener, you take it out first. Wait, let's see, how is this again? You take out the inner part. There. And you put in this part first, and then you push it in, and it will expand and lock. And then carefully put back the lid. ABC, always be careful. Okay, I think it's easier if you try to lock in the upper part here, in the upper part first, and then you follow down here. And then just put the rubber gasket back again. And then once you set up everything, it will look something like this. First you have to connect to commander. It's quite easy to do that. And you can see that you will have the speed here. And when you are charging, you will also see how many kilowatt you're charging at. You can also choose to not show that one if you want. And also plenty of variables. You see, if you click on one of these, you can choose action also. For example, down here, if I don't want to care about that, I could go to for example, action, and I can say seat adjustment. Yeah, well, this actually works the best if you have the knob. But okay, so but I chose to show stats here. See that we have 95% battery, we have whatever range, and 72 kilowatt hour left. And here also you can preheat. Oh, okay, I have to exit that there. You can also preheat the battery with the press, manual preheating. But right now it's okay. I think I have to press the brake and then start it. There. Then it becomes red and it actually breathes. But we don't need that in Thailand. We will just turn it off now. So very nice to have this app. It's not only for the button and the knob or whatever. I actually use this to look at stats in here. You can also use ScanMyTesla, which has way more variables. But eventually we can, if you want, we can add more variables in this app also, in the enhanced app. So yeah, now I show you guys a little quick intro about how to install and how to use this, and then you can just go check it out yourself. So that's gonna be it for now. Hope you guys enjoyed this video. As always, thank you for watching, and talk to you later.